With the economy the way it is, there is less of an ability for people to afford these services. And really, when often it takes maybe 20, 25 minutes, maybe an hour to solve someone's problem. And if they didn't have pro bono attorneys to do that through the PLC, they wouldn't have their problem solved. In today's economy, it's even more important, I think, to to be of service, to be able to help people out like that.
Volunteering through the PLC it broadens my horizons considerably. If I'm in a specific area of law, there's a lot more going on in the world, and a lot more to life than what is found in the narrow area that I'm practicing in. You get an idea that the things are tough in other places and beyond the places where attorneys gather and congregate and discuss their issues.
The Public Law Center is uniquely situated, not only to provide legal representation, but really to provide a safety net of legal resources for the members of our community so that everyone can have healthy families and everyone can enjoy a healthy community.
And thanks to public law, and we hope to be able that public law will reach out and some other attorneys will join public law to give the services that are needed for our community.
I volunteer with the Public Law Center, I think because it's amazing to me the vast number of people who do not know their rights. And there's an equally large number of people who will take advantage of that fact, whether they do not intend to or they do intend to. And I think it's crucial that there are attorneys who are trained and who do know what rights people have to give assistance to those who do not.
One of the greatest things that I've learned as a new lawyer is these are not just facts, these are people. And these are not just files, these are human beings. And when you realize that she's suffering and that it really doesn't take much of your time to resolve it, I feel like you're doing the greater good.
I went home to my son that day and I said, I helped somebody out. Somebody was trying to take every dollar that she owned and I helped her get it back. And at the end of the day, there's just not many cases a lawyer gets to work on where you get that feeling.
Personally, for me, there's a lot of rewards that I've been able to take away from this action. And, one of which, and the most important of which, is being able to give back to the community.
It's just amazing to see that there are still people out there with good hearts, and they're all for the community, which is what they needed the most, which makes La Habra a better place to live.
The one amazing thing about pro bono and why I continue to do it is because with your business clients, you don't see their heart. You don't feel their heart. You're not truly, at least for me, you're not energized from the inside out. With pro bono, you get the hugs, you get the smiles, you get cookies delivered to your office. You get tears of joy when you actually help them reach something that they never thought attainable. And that is something that nobody can ever take away from me.